Don't get too stressed out, guys. Just get as much down as you can, like the whole words, and I'll help you out. Some bacteria are not beneficial to us or to the environment. Bacteria spoil food by secreting enzymes into the food, which causes it to rot. Along with enzymes, other substances produced by bacteria are released into the food. And some of these substances are toxic. Is that good or bad? Bad. That's bad. Making the food poisonous to humans and other organisms. Bacteria in large numbers can pollute lakes, streams, and drinking water. During respiration, bacteria reduce and dissolve oxygen content in the water supply. What happens if bacteria gets into our drinking water? We get sick, definitely. Many bacteria are pathogenic. A pathogen is an organism that causes disease or infection. Some bacteria diseases of humans are tuberculosis or TB, tetanus, and strep throat. Who's ever had strep throat or known somebody? Pathogen. So write down pathogen. Ways that we can control harmful bacteria are by antiseptics, disinfectants, and antibiotics. An antibiotic, who's ever been on an antibiotic? Yep. Is a chemical that can stop the growth of some bacteria. Bacteria are able to produce types that are resistant to certain antibiotics. So if you go to the doctor, you shouldn't get the same antibiotic over and over and over because your body will become used to it and then the bacteria, it won't work on the bacteria. How can you guys control bacteria? Washing your hands. But I have another video for you guys. Hunter?
Just like slapping the face.
I really like Powerade, so I can think it too.
Man 13.
It's just.
What else it is?
Oh. Justin.
Who knows the actual song besides this one? What's the name of the oldie?
one ear and out the other.
Fight back.
Using a biplane.
Is he not? He looks like frogs. No. It looks like Caleb and Justin.
Who sings this song?
I don't want. I'm
What's the
one.
actual song?
Yeah.
All I
The
know is
actual,
I'm one
guys.
What
Okay, I like doing fun stuff like this, but then I need you to get back to focusing afterwards. The actual song is called "I Wanna Hold Your Hand." I wanna hold your hand. And that's what it's all about.
Who knows who sings it?
Okay.
Besides Miss Tim. I knew she would know. I know.
I'm a scar.
Who sings it?
Yeah.
Mrs. Tim?
The Beatles.
Ah, and
Okay, show me that you're ready to go on, please. So your pencil should be in your hand. You're ready to go on.
I'll try.
Okay, bacteria can also be killed in food by canning. Does anybody's parents can vegetables or something? Yep. Chemical preservatives, radiation, steam pressure, salt curing, and dehydration. So drying out like fruit and stuff like that, that will help control bacteria. Okay. We are going on to viruses now.
No, you're right.
Okay, can you let me get some more pieces of paper out?
Yes, I will let you get more pieces of paper out. And if there are any questions on bacteria, can you ask me now? Are there any questions? Yeah?
What was a bioengineering?
Bioremediation? Yeah. Go ahead and write that down, and I will let you look that up. Spencer?
If we don't have like 100% of the notes done, then
You don't have to.
what happens if we don't?
Just get down the bolded words, guys.
I'm trying.
If I say something twice, or if I say it louder, it's probably because it's super important. So at least get those words down, and then when you're reading your books later, because you should all read your books, you can just write down the definitions. Any other questions about bacteria? Okay, we're gonna go on to viruses then. We might not get through it, but we'll work on it here. A virus is not a cell. Was a bacteria a cell?
Yes.
It was. Bacteria was unicellular, and this is not a cell. It is made up of genetic material inside a protein coat, so it's inside the coat. Viruses do not carry on most metabolic activities. Write it down, guys. Viruses are also microscopic, which means that you need what to see them? A microscope. It's a microscopic particle that invades the cell and often destroys it. It's smaller than bacteria, and there's an unknown number of viruses. The host is an organism that supports a parasite. So, like bacteria said, some bacteria need a host. That's the organism that supports it. So make sure you have virus and host written down. Viruses are classified, they're grouped by type of disease that they cause, their life cycle, or the type of genetic material, or by their shape. So they got lots of ways to classify them. The shapes are crystals, and polio is virus. It's a virus. It's it can be crippling. So that's that that virus has the crystal shape. Spears. Who's ever had the flu? Yep, that's the shape of the flu virus is spear. Cylinders and spacecraft. you have this right here, how they're classified, and then just the underlined words. So I'll give you an example. The lytic cycle, there's going to be two different cycles. Is a virus that infects a cell and turns them into a virus factory. So first, it finds a host, it enters the cell and injects the virus's genes into the cell. The virus's genes take over the direction of the host cell, and new viruses break out of the host cell, ready to find new hosts and repeat the cycle.
Oh, that's cool.
So right here is your picture of that. It finds a host. On the inside. It enters into the host. The genes take over. The new viruses break out and go in search of a new host.
We'll take one.
Lysogenic cycle, the virus injects genes when the host cell divides. Each new cell has a copy of virus's genes. So the virus remains inactive until there's a change in the environment or stress to the organism. So it's not going in this big cycle. It's kind of just hanging out.